Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Seema. So guys, today I will tell you in this video my silent struggle while learning English. Okay, because I think this problem face most of the English learners. So I thought I should tell my friends who are struggling like me. So now I can speak in English. I also make mistake. Sometimes I get stuck, but I can speak, guys. I communicate now. So guys, earlier when I was not able to speak even a sentence, then I used to think what people think about me. People think about me. She completed graduation. She is a graduate. She is a graduate, but still she cannot speak in English. I always used to think like this, but then I decided that if I will think like this only, then how can I speak? I used to always thinking like this, guys. I always to think like this. But guys, I think school college English and speaking English are totally different. Our what we study in book, what we speak, what we communicate, both are totally different. But people will not think like this, na. They judge you. They think you about you that still she don't know English, she don't know speaking. I used to think like this, but after I decided I have to learn, I have to speak. What will people think? I don't mind, I have to speak, I have to learn English. Then I decided I started to learning daily. I started learning in starting, guys. Firstly, I learned properly sentences and daily use sentences. Sorry, I learned tenses, all tenses like future tense, past tense, and present tense. I cleared my tenses. After that, I learned daily use verb and words. Then I used to speak myself in front of mirror. I used to speak to see in mirror. I started like this. So guys, I think you should also do this, and you never be disappointed, guys. And you don't compare yourself from others. Only you compare yourself for last day. Okay, and you always compare that what I was last 1 year, last 1 month. You can compare yourself, not any other. So I think you are understanding what I'm saying, and you start learning. It's okay if you are making mistake, because mistake is part of learning, and so that's why you should not be disappointed, and start from today. Don't wait for tomorrow. So guys, earlier I want to be perfect in English, but now I don't want to be perfect. Just I want to be consistent learning English. So you also decide that I have to be consistent in learning, and don't want to be perfect. If you will be consistent learning, then one day definitely you will be perfect. Okay, so I think it will be helpful for you. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.